This is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
Although for most of us, conditions have improved from earlier today when we had near whiteout conditions and a lot of snow that fell overnight. We're still going to be dealing with these same problems on and off, even as snow showers become gradually lighter and taper down through the evening. We're never totally going to lose those snow showers, but a lot of us will end up at least with some improving conditions. Blowing snow, whiteout conditions, and slick roads, that is all likely, whether snow is falling or not, because the snow is very lightweight. So we have any kind of wind that comes along. It can blow snow that's already fallen and snow that's currently falling, adding to those travel concerns. Wind chills will also be -5 to -10 overnight, which is an improvement from earlier, but still very cold and worth bundling up. Pockets of sunshine are out there as well. We have that happening in Grand Rapids, where temperature is 10 degrees right now. Temperatures range from 9 in Big Rapids to 14 along the lakeshore. Still very cold with wind chills that are right around 0 to -10. So these numbers will continue to fluctuate around -5 to -10 at times tonight, but the wind will gradually back down a little bit. That will help. We do still have winter weather advisory for the lakeshore and from the 131 corridor through 7 p.m. Another 1 to 2 inches of snow in affected areas are possible, but it will be the blowing snow, the lowered visibilities, and at times those near whiteout conditions that remain the biggest issue for us. Heavier snow and more widespread snow is happening from a pocket of Grand Haven through around the Hastings area. A lot of Allegan County getting some of those snow bands that stretch down into Kalamazoo as well, and South Haven and the rest of interior Van Buren County. These are probably spots that will continue to get a little more snow than other areas, and those whiteout conditions will become a little bit more of an issue. Overall, through around 7:30 or 8 o'clock, those snow showers should push back towards the lakeshore and continue that trend overnight. They may even fade away, probably again not completely, but we'll see a lot less snow overnight than what we've had recently. We'll pick back up some snow showers tomorrow morning into the afternoon, but really start to see more intense snow happen again as we get into the evening tomorrow, and a lot of this will be lake enhanced once again tomorrow night into Thursday. As we get towards Thursday and beyond, a lot of that snow will get pushed offshore, so we should have some improving conditions in terms of sunshine and lack of snow, which will be great. But up until that point, we could still pick up another 1 to 3 inches of snow with isolated higher totals on some parts of the lakeshore. I don't expect most of us are going to get much more than around 3 inches. Tonight will be a cold night, single-digit temperatures right around 5, with the lake effect kind of on and off, and those wind chills right around -5. And tomorrow, once again stuck in the teens with those scattered snow showers. The Arctic air does continue to roll in from the north through the weekend, so it doesn't look like we're really going to see much help in terms of our temperatures until we get to next week. But Friday morning at -7, that's going to be the coldest night that we have, with wind chills around -20.